Hello everyone, I'm with a quick but very exciting product update right now. And today it is news performance tools. Absolutely incredible. Let's go deeper. You remember that we have Impact Hub and there are a lot of sections like crawl budget, triangle, crawl budget details, impressions, indexation, pagination, news performance, e-commerce performance tools, metric impact tools. But right now, I would like to show you news performance tools. What we have here. So as usually, you just pick up the period and it will automatically compare with the previous same period. What we have here, the number of articles published over the current period of time compared to the previous one. Googlebot crawl gap and how important this information it is for the publishers. You see that almost no gap, 200 seconds. Then when the article got the first impression in Google News the same day, I must confess that actually this client is with us for more than 3 years. He works with log analyzer really effectively, so he does know what to do. So Googlebot loves his website. So Googlebot waits for his first articles to be published, so to index it right away. That's why it's such a brilliant numbers, as you see. Then when the article got first impression at SERP the same day, so brilliant, isn't it? Then you get news traffic, Google News Mobile App, Google News Web, or Google Organic, the breakdown of that. Then article lifetime. Since the first day it is published, how many impressions this article is getting, how many clicks. And you see the whole lifetime, how long the article lives. And this is interesting insights, as you see that even after a month, they still get impressions and clicks. This is important. What else we have here? Performance by categories. You remember that we have the same report in e-commerce performance by products, but right now I would like to analyze my articles categories, the performance of it. And you see the category, the number of articles in it, the number of articles scrolled by Googlebot within this category, how many of them are in SERP, how many in top 10, how many in top 3, how many impressions the articles in this category are getting, how many clicks with the dynamics compared to the previous period of time, average position of the articles within this category, and average CTR, again with the dynamics. And all the categories have this statistics, which is very visual and gives you quick understanding what categories are super effective, which ones should be enriched, or just leave it as it is. And this is exactly the perfect result you want to reach, actually. Then author's performance. This is absolutely crazy from my point of view. So you have all your authors, the number of articles published by each of him, and the total impressions the articles published by this author is getting, the total clicks with the dynamics. And this is super handy tool for the media, for the publishers, to keep an eye on the efficiency of each of your author and to manage this team absolutely on the fly. It doesn't take any time, so you get all the needed dynamics, all the needed stats just right away, just right here. And this is absolutely persuasive, who is more effective, who is less effective, and what is the dynamics. And you can click on these articles and you will be transferred to the list of these articles, and you will be able to analyze what was this article, what was the name of it, what is the URL of it, and you will be capable to see why this article was so great, or why this article got the negative dynamics in terms of impressions. So if you guys are working with news and the speed of indexation, the new article is important for you if you want to manage your authors, the performance by categories, etc. So hurry up to test our news performance tools. Thank you for your attention and have a great day.